I'm sorry. I'm sorry for not posting. So I haven't posted in like 2 weeks, but honestly that's kind of the nature of my channel. For those of you guys who have been following the channel for a little while, you'll notice my channel kind of like posts in like waves. It's kind of weird. It's not really weird, it's just kind of the nature of the channel so far. So I'll like post for like a couple months like heavy, and then like I'll kind of slow down and like post sporadically for a couple months, and then we'll go heavy again. So like we did the M50 engine build and I posted for like 3 months straight. Pretty much daily posted for like 3 months straight, and then like for like 2 months I kind of didn't post a lot, and then the manual swap came, we did that whole series, and then I posted for like 4 months almost every day, and then it kind of slowed down and we did the engine build, and when we built the engine for the bucket, posted for another 4 months almost every day, and then now we're kind of in a little bit of a rut again where it's kind of like weirdly sporadically posted. But it'll pick up soon. We got a lot of projects coming in the works, and I'm trying to just get some planning done to figure some stuff out that'll be cool. But as of right now, I have like nothing. These last few weeks it's been raining more than it has not been raining, which isn't really super normal for California. Usually it'll rain like for 1 day and then it won't rain for like months at a time. And it sucks to drive this car in the rain, not because it's a lowered BMW M3, but because the HVAC unit in this car doesn't work. That's the reason we deleted the AC, is because that whole HVAC unit just doesn't work. You press a button and nothing happens, which is pretty sick. When it's raining outside and you have all the windows up, it starts to get foggy in the cabin, and that sucks. The quick fix to that is just turn the defroster on and then you're fine. But because my HVAC unit does not work at all, I do not have a defroster. So if I want to clear the windshield, I have to roll the windows down. And when it's raining, I can either see and be wet, or I can not see and be dry. And picking between those two was like freaking nice. And I was gonna do it tomorrow after work while it's still bright and sunny and plenty of light to get this done and plenty of space, so I'm not doing it at night. But it's gonna rain tomorrow, and then it's gonna rain the day after, and then the day after that, and it's pretty much just gonna rain for the whole rest of the week here. So I want to use the rain guards like today or like tomorrow before it actually starts raining, because that's kind of what I bought them for. So we're gonna do it right now. These are well visors for the E36. Alright, so we got front, and then we got our little rears here. It took me a while to find the set of rain guards that I wanted, because a lot of the rain guards that I've seen on E36s, I'm not gonna lie, they kind of look like shit. These well visors one, I think, are the most sleek looking ones. A lot of the rain guards that I've seen for these cars, they're like hella out, and it kind of looks really weird. And so these guys, they're also pretty cheap too. I think this whole set was like 50 bucks. They only had them for the sedan as far as I saw. So they're gonna sit something like that. And that's like a lot sleeker than any other one, which is freaking nice. The only weird thing is gonna be like that little corner sticking out. So I don't know if I can like angle it down like that. I think that's not gonna work. I don't know, we're gonna have to probably compromise with the fitment. So it kind of looks weird having that tag stick out like that. But that is gonna look pretty sleek, which is nice. So that is that one. This is that one. Go something like that. As long as it doesn't stick out like super wide. Oh yeah, those are super sleek. That's what I'm talking about. So that is that boy. This one goes over here. If I could get it to sit flush like that, that would be tits. But I don't think it's gonna adhere like that. So that's probably gonna be where it ends up being. But these guys do use some 3M double-sided tape, and I think they have like another little bracket that sort of goes on. Oh boy. So we got these little clips. God, these things are tiny, dude. We got like pins, and we got like a little nut. Okay. That goes through this little bracket, and then we put the nut on the back side of that, and then the pin goes through that. Okay. Slick. They even gave us like little cleaning pads. How cute. Dry that off. Boom. And then we'll use our little alcohol towel. Oh yeah. Something like that. So we're gonna need one right there. One on that hole. This boy goes like that. So that is going like underneath the little rubber strip there, between the rubber strip and the body. If you guys can see that. See what I'm talking about. Ooh. So there's about 2 inches. And I'm just gonna peel this whole little one off right now. Alright, now for the mount. Yeah? That's looking pretty stunted. That's not bad at all. We gotta get this little freaking thing through the hole, through the tab. Oh fuck, it dropped. Damn it. There we go. Alright, that is one on. I'm probably doing a really bad job of explaining what's going on here. Doesn't really help that the hardware is all black. So pretty much you take your little clip. Your clip goes under the rubber next to that door frame like that. And then your visor like goes over that. You do the whole 3M tape thing. And then it has a little hole in there. So you line the bracket up and then you line the hole up. You stick that guy through the visor, through the bracket. So it's sitting on the bracket on the back side. You put a little plastic nut thing, that guy, and then you take the push pin and then push it through the visor side, through that little thing, and then into the little nut thing, and it'll all clip together. And then you'll have your little pin there, and so that holds that whole thing in, I guess, somehow. Even though that one like fell out, I was trying to put it in, and then so it's got that, and then it's got the 3M on top of that. What I do like is that it's not really like sticking out a whole lot. It really sits flush with the car, and that looks freaking beautiful. One of the reasons I hate sun visors, or rain guards, they're not really sun visors, is because they just stick out like a mile from the car. It looks like shit. And that actually looks pretty good. And the best part, so that's like 2 fingers worth of clearance. So I can have these windows down a good bit without rain getting in. Maybe that little corner there, some rain might get in, but I don't think that's like too much. All right, so let's get that set up. The little spoon thing goes that way. It kind of sits a little bit higher, like right here, than I wanted it to. I kind of wanted this to run flush with that, but I guess it really can't. But it's not terrible. It doesn't look bad. Super sleek. Alright, so let's get our little brackets lined up. Damn it. See, I'm wondering how this actually helps it like stay on, because this thing like doesn't even stay on by itself. That's the second one that's fallen out of 4. So that's like half of the ones are falling out. So I don't understand that. Do what you gotta do. Sell your product, bro. Alright, we're stunting, baby. Stunting. It still kind of looks weird. Oh well. This is more function than form, I guess. It almost looks like someone added like eyebrows to the car. I don't know. We'll see how they look. Get our moisten towelette going here for that deep clean. Just gonna eyeball it. One is probably gonna go there. And the other one's probably gonna go there-ish. What is this? Look at this, look at this. All right, you feel me? That's in. But if I push it to the visor, like it doesn't reach, this one like doesn't reach the visor. Focus, you fucking camera. So like that is in the door where it needs to be. But if I push it like to the door, it like comes out. So like the hole's aligned, but that bracket's not in the door now. You see what I mean? I don't fucking know, bro. I don't know what's going on anymore. I don't understand. Should I like not put that one on? Because then there's a fucking hole in the visor. There we go. Alright. Driver's side done but fucked. You know what sucks is like this one is the one that like I need the most. So that not fitting kind of concerns me, but oh well. That one where it needs to be. Don't do that. There we go. Alright, so all of them are on. Let's see if the window closes without an issue. That one's good. Yeah, that's good. Stunting, baby. Not too bad. Came with extra hardware, which is probably a good thing. I don't even know what this little felt pad is for. There's 4 of them. And it didn't say anything about them, so that's not concerning at all. Hopefully I won't have any rain coming in the car, and I can be dry and actually see when I'm driving in the rain. So I will also be leaving the website link and the install video for the well visors rain guards that I got for this video. As far as I know, they only make them for sedans. I didn't see any options for coupes. So sedans are better. So I hope you guys enjoyed this small little install. I didn't really think of doing a DIY format for it because it's kind of pretty simple and self-explanatory, so I didn't really think it was worth the full DIY format. I kind of like the vlog style a little bit better for like really stupid simple stuff. But we also just hit 4,000 subs, so thank you guys so much for 4 grand. It's taken quite a while to get there, and it's a big moment, but I know it's a lot of subs, but it's... So thank you to all the new subscribers to the channel. You guys kind of caught me at a weird time because I don't have a lot of content. Again, sometimes the channel just sort of swings down and I don't have a lot to go on and a lot to do, but it's gonna pick back up pretty soon. We got some cool stuff planned. So thank you guys so much for watching. Keep it fresh and I'll see you guys later. Alright, I lied. So it was raining this morning, but it sort of cleared up around the middle of the day and it's actually not even raining anymore. So I wanted to give you guys kind of a walk around of the car. You probably can't see how the car looks with the rain guards on it really in the garage that well, so we're gonna do a walk around of it real quick. A couple things. Number one, they actually work pretty freaking well, which I guess they're really supposed to, which is a good thing. Another thing I didn't really think of is that they're wind deflectors. So I was driving down at highway speeds with the front windows down, and for those of you guys who own sedans, you know if you roll just the front windows all the way down and drive on the highway at highway speeds, you get fucked in the face by air. It doesn't do that anymore, which is sick. I can actually drive comfortably with the front windows completely down, not crack the back windows at all, and you don't get shit-faced with air. So that's a nice positive. So, and these are really, I'm still kind of torn on the look of them. That little tiny corner back there still kind of irks me, but the rest of it looks really good. You don't really notice it that much. The thing I really like about the rain guards, these ones, if you look at the car from the front or from the back head on, you cannot see them at all. You can like barely see them. You know what I mean? and they don't look bad at all, which is super nice. A lot of rain guards look like trash, and these ones are really not bad. So straight on from the back, you really can't even tell that they're there. They're just so sleek. That's really nice. That's what I wanted from a set of these. So I think they look pretty good. I'm not a super huge rain guard fan in the first place. I kind of bought these for the function more than the form, but I'm actually not really disappointed in how they look. They look pretty decent. Yeah, not bad. All right, I will see you guys later.
We are dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust.